You are at risk of getting scammed if you are into forex or crypto trading. This video will help you to avoid losing your money to scammers. Here is a story of one of my followers who got scammed recently just by making a simple mistake. And of course, I have his permission to share the full story. So let's dive into it and see how best we can avoid this in the future. It was 20th of December 2024. I had a YouTube notification alerting me that somebody left a comment on one of my videos. I went straight up to check. Then I saw the comment. Bro, good morning. Please, I give money to your payment agent for deposit and CR. CR is an account name for Deriv, yeah. But the money cannot be found on my account. Payment agent 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀𝙊. Like, after reading this, I was like, if you are actually dealing with Dr. 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀𝙊, then you shouldn't have any issue at all. Because if you all have realized, in most of my videos, I've been doing both deposit and withdrawal through Dr. 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀𝙊. So I made mention of him in most of my videos, and I've been stating categorically that if you want to deposit through him or withdraw through him, you can just reach out to me and I'll give you his contact. Then you deal with him directly. Yeah, so I went ahead to reply by saying, send me a message on WhatsApp and let me be sure you are actually dealing with Mr. 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀𝙊 and not any other person, because like I just couldn't get it. If you've actually given your money to Mr. 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀𝙊, you should probably have everything sorted out smoothly. So I asked him to send me a message, right? So he was like, okay, bro. After that, he came to test in one of my Telegram channels that he couldn't find my WhatsApp number. From there, I gave him my WhatsApp number for him to reach out to me on WhatsApp so that I could know the full story. So here it is. Quickly, he sent me a message on WhatsApp. Hi, bro. I was like, George? Yeah. Then he went ahead to state everything. So he apparently made this transaction on the 18th of December. I was trying to interrogate with him after he stated everything. I was like, how did you get in touch with him? Him over here, I'm referring to the real Dr. 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀𝙀 or simply 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀𝙀. So he was like, bro, through your teachings about how to deposit on Deriv. So at this point in my mind, I was like, if you've actually watched my video on how to deposit on Deriv using payment agent, you should probably have a look or see how I've done the whole process. If you all don't realize that, there's a complete video dedicated to that on my YouTube channel. This video right here, this 7 minutes 13 seconds, it's a full video guide on how you can deposit money on Deriv using payment agent. I've laid out the whole steps over there. That means nobody can scam you if you follow the steps rightly. So when he said he got in touch with the person through my video, then I begin wondering. So he went ahead to send me the number that he sent the money to. Then immediately I saw the number, I was like, damn, this is not Mr. 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀𝙀's contact. This is obviously a different person that is impersonating or that is acting as Mr. 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀. In other words, the person he was dealing with is a complete scammer. That person is not in any way related to 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀. So we went on, and at the end of the day, we have to do the remaining talk on phone call, as he had to call me. He was like, please let me call you so that we can just simplify everything, right? So we made a call for 9 minutes as over here. We made a call for 9 minutes, and after that, I asked him if I can use whatever transpired to make a video and warn others about it, right? So yeah, he gave me the permission and also sent me this as the evidence of the fact that he sent money to the person and the person couldn't deliver. The person actually scammed him, something like that. Yeah. And he also gave me the permission to use his name in a video as well, right? So let me break down whatever we've talked about in this 9 minutes voice call over here. So what happened was that he joined the Telegram group of Mr. 𝙍𝙀𝙾𝙊𝙀𝙀. So when you go to the payments agent platform, you will see a Telegram link over there that you can join his Telegram channel quickly. So he joined a channel, and somebody from the channel, all right, somebody else who is not Mr. Bediako from the channel message him on Telegram directly. All right. So that person is portraying or impersonating Mr. Asare Bediako. From there, the person asked him to send his CR number, and the person gave him the number to send the money to, this particular number up here. So he sent the money to that particular number. That's the scammer's number. He sent the money to that number, and that's how everything ended. He wouldn't have access to the money, and everything is gone. So the next day, I was trying to find out like how the whole thing happened. So I reached out to Mr. Bediako. I tried to draw the attention of Mr. Bediako on the incident, on the fact that some people are out there trying to use his name to scam other people on Deriv payment agents platform and even on Telegram. So I took a screenshot of the comments on my YouTube video. I sent it to him. So I was like, so even on payment agent page, people are using your name to scam others. Like, yeah, I've literally explained everything to him together with the screenshots from the guy. Then he was like, I think the person didn't read the pin message on Telegram. That's when I started wondering, oh, okay, there's a Telegram page as well. Obviously, me, I'm in his WhatsApp group. Yeah, that's where I am. So at that point, I never knew that Mr. George has already joined his Telegram group. So I was like, obviously, he didn't even get in touch with you or your Telegram at all. According to him, he went straight to the payment agent portal and selected Asare Bediako, and someone immediately reached out to him on Telegram, claiming to be the Asare Bediako. And that's how he ended up sending the money to the person after the person asked for his CR and name. I don't know how that works if there are other Asare Bediako on the payment agent portal. Then he was like, he joined the Telegram page, and someone probably contacted him on Telegram claiming to be me, in this case, claiming to be Dr. Asare Bediako, or Asare Bediako for short. He was like, I have countless number of complaints about that. At this point, I was like, that means a lot of people are using people's name to, a lot of people are using his name to dupe others of their hard-earned money, just like that. And I feel like at this point, it is very, very necessary to warn my followers and any other person out there about this, so that you be vigilant when you are dealing with these online transactions. You be vigilant, be very, very vigilant. If you don't know any trusted person, reach out to someone that you know he has already been doing that. Then let the person show you how it is done. It's better than you going to get your money, like give your money to a scammer somewhere who is literally doing nothing just to scam you, right? So he sent me a screenshot of his Telegram page, and he was like, I'm sure he is George Tete. And it truly true, that is a person, that is a guy who reached out to me to lodge the complaint. And I was like, yeah, he's George, right? So what he told me was that Telegram there, someone can use username 𝘍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈. Someone can use your username 𝘍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈. And he was like, he didn't read the pin message. So at that point, I became curious. I want to find out the pin message myself. So how to go and join that particular Telegram channel. So I quickly joined a Telegram channel. This is it. This is me joining right over there. So once I joined, I decided to find out what exactly is in the channel that people are not reading, but they are going straight to have transaction with a strange number reaching out to them on Telegram. So I tapped on it, and I saw, take note of this statement when you join this page. I will never PM you first. PM or DM, yeah, the same thing. First. And if you PM and I recommend another payment agent to you, don't send your money to that number. That's the scammer. So if anybody is trying to recommend somebody else to you on Telegram, something like that, the person is probably a scammer, right? So if I tell you to send your money to me, make sure you send to these numbers. So for Vodafone Cash, if you're in Ghana, you should see Vodafone Cash or Voda Cash. Right now, it is Telecel Cash or Telecash, yeah. So the number is just here. That's the agent number. And he was like, currently I'm using agent SIM. So I'll rather tell you to allow cash out, especially for MTN users. But for Vodafone, who is now Telecel, you will have to, you will actually send the money to a number that he is going to give you, right? So if I tell you to send money to any number apart from these numbers, consider that as 𝘍𝙀𝙾𝙊 as a scammer. If you doubt the transaction, post all your requests here and ask here for me to confirm the number before you send your money. Don't rush in sending the money. Do not rush, okay? So here he linked his WhatsApp platform. I mean, the page I am on actually. He linked it over here for everybody to join, wants to join the Telegram channel. And this message has been here since December 30th, 2021. So yeah, if you join any particular Telegram channel, which is mostly about money and stuff, and there's a pin message, please and please do well to read it, because that pin message could save you a lot of money. And in the case of brother George Tete, if it were to be some huge amount of money that he has sent to this guy, then probably he just got scammed for nothing. Okay, so guys, please make sure you read. Okay, read and read. Once there's an instruction, read and read. And if you're watching videos, most importantly my videos, I make sure I take my time to explain everything that I have to explain in my video, so that you don't get lost. All right, I don't want you to get lost, so I make sure I share valuable information in most of my videos. Like I keep stating in my video that if you want to reach out to Mr. 𝘍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙆𝙀, just reach out to me and let me give you his contact. Since I have his contact already, I just give it to you. I can just give it to you directly, so that you deal with the person directly to avoid being scammed. Okay, I know I've been talking a lot in this video, but yes, I have to, because it is a story or it's something that can ruin life. Imagine somebody going to send, let's say, $3,000 to somebody just for the person to scam him just like that. It's going to be a worrisome issue. I know this, you may not feel it right now until it happens to you. So this is something you have to take seriously. Okay, take this seriously. If you want to do any financial transaction, make sure you are dealing with somebody that you trust. And when you want to invest, this is just a general advice, or yeah, something that I'm giving to you. If you want to invest into something as well, make sure you understand that thing at least 90%. Understand that thing before you put your money into it, guys. I think this is enough for you to stay put, like to know what you are doing when it comes to this financial transaction. Because I hate the fact that you will be scammed just like that. It's not something nice. It's something like I just hate it, because I was once a victim of scam. Like I was scammed $300 before, and from that day, it was in 2020. From that time, I decided to stay vigilant.